Have you ever felt that there is more to you than what you are showing to the world? That feeling that you are capable of achieving something great, but you don't know how to take the first step? Perhaps you dream of a life filled with purpose, love, and abundance, yet something seems to be holding you back. Dr. Ernest Holmes, a pioneer in spiritual thought, believed that each of us carries an incredible power within that can transform our lives and help us achieve our dreams. His practical and accessible approach invites us to connect with this hidden potential and use our minds effectively. In this video, you'll discover how to apply simple yet powerful spiritual principles to manifest the life you truly desire. The science of mind, developed by Holmes in the 1920s, is a philosophy that combines elements of religion, psychology, and metaphysical thought. At its core lies the idea of a universal mind, a creative power that exists not only outside of us, but also within every human being. Recognizing that our individual mind is an extension of this universal mind is fundamental, as it allows us to understand that we have the ability to consciously use this power to shape our reality. For Holmes, the concept of God is not that of a distant figure, but an omnipresent force that flows through us. By accepting that we are made in the image and likeness of God, Genesis 1:27, we understand that we share the Creator's creative ability. This perspective shifts our life from a series of random events to a deliberate expression of our beliefs, thoughts, and attitudes, setting the stage for the manifestation of our desires. Ernest Holmes emphasizes that our thoughts are powerful forces that shape our reality. What we consistently think and what we feel with conviction become our experience. Each thought emits an energy that affects both our internal and external environment, as if each one were planting a seed in the subconscious mind, which later blossoms into our daily life. To harness this power, it is essential to be aware of our thoughts and eliminate those that limit us. The law of belief is a fundamental principle in Holmes's teachings, asserting that whatever we firmly believe becomes our reality. Our deepest beliefs act as a filter that determines how we perceive the world and what experiences we attract. Therefore, it is crucial to examine the beliefs we hold and transform limiting ones into positive affirmations. If, for example, you grew up believing that money is hard to come by, replacing this belief with "abundance flows to me easily" allows you to reprogram your mind to accept a new reality. Beyond thoughts and beliefs, practical tools such as visualization and affirmations are essential for manifestation. Visualization involves creating a clear and vivid mental image of what you desire. By imagining your ideal life in detail, you send a clear message to the subconscious and, ultimately, to the universal mind. This practice strengthens the connection between your desires and the reality you are creating. Affirmations, on the other hand, are positive statements used to reprogram your mind and reinforce belief in what you are manifesting. Repeating affirmations with conviction trains your mind to accept a new truth. However, these mental processes must be accompanied by action. Holmes stresses that while thought and visualization are vital, inspired action is essential for bringing your desires to life. These actions should come from a place of enthusiasm and clarity. Pay attention to the impulses and ideas that arise in your mind. They are often guides toward the steps you need to take to progress in your manifestation journey. Faith is a crucial component of the manifestation process. For Holmes, having faith does not mean believing blindly, but being convinced that divine power is working in your favor, even when circumstances do not seem favorable. Faith eliminates fear and allows you to focus on the final outcome. Gratitude, in turn, acts as a powerful catalyst. By expressing gratitude for what you already have and what has yet to manifest, you generate a positive vibration that attracts more good into your life. Gratitude not only demonstrates your faith in the universe's abundance, but also aligns you with the energy of love and provision. It is also important to acknowledge that obstacles or blockages may arise on the path to manifestation. These often reflect unconscious beliefs that limit your ability to receive what you desire. To overcome them, first identify these limiting beliefs. Once they are brought to light, they become easier to transform. Then, replace these beliefs with positive affirmations and maintain an attitude of perseverance. Manifestation does not always happen instantly and requires patience and trust that the universe has perfect timing for everything. To strengthen your ability to manifest, Holmes recommends spiritual practices that help align the mind with divine power. Meditation is a tool that allows you to connect with the universal mind. By quieting the conscious mind, you access a state of inner peace and wisdom from which the answers and solutions you seek emerge. Scientific prayer or spiritual treatment is a specific form of prayer used in the science of mind. It is an affirmative process where you declare the truth of your connection with God and the fulfillment of your desires. By affirming that your good is already realized, you reinforce the certainty that what you long for is already a reality in the spiritual realm, ready to manifest in the physical plane. Self-examination and personal growth are essential for identifying any limiting beliefs that may block manifestation. By being willing to examine your deepest thoughts and feelings, you can transform what holds you back and align your beliefs with the spiritual truth of abundance and prosperity. Dr. Ernest Holmes offers a powerful and transformative perspective. Each person possesses a divine power that can be used to create the life they desire. By understanding our connection to the universal mind and consciously applying principles such as positive thinking, visualization, faith, and gratitude, we can manifest our desires and achieve a fulfilling and satisfying life. The key is to align our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with God's creative power, trust the process, and maintain an attitude of gratitude. Manifesting the life you desire is not a fantasy but a reality that we can all achieve by recognizing and utilizing the power granted by God. If you enjoyed today's insights and believe this content can help others, be sure to give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any inspiring and empowering content. We would also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences on how you have manifested your desires. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family who are looking to transform their lives. Together, we can create a community that supports growth and the manifestation of our dreams. Thank you for joining us, and remember, the power to change your life is in your hands. See you next time.